Hey everybody, it's Danny with Travel with D&D. I'm in Palm Beach County. I was in this area, so I came down to North Palm Beach, and they've got their big annual boat parade today. Every first Saturday in December. Radio stations are here. Everything's all set up. Big hospitality tent. I brought you an episode on this place back in August. They had a food truck fire. And you can see there's the Bell's food truck is back in service. Well, that's a new one actually. So let me just show you how they got it set up. If you're ever traveling down to Florida, you can put this on your checklist. It's quite the event. And the lighted up boats, here's the pavilion area here, and then they've got oh, look at this guy here. There you go, Will Ferrell. So you can see it's quite the big production. All these seats are here. Very nice. Got the boat to wave to me. Wave to us. So here's the new food truck. So there's room for hundreds of people down here. So this is Danny with Travel with D&D. I'm in Palm Beach County today, and I am in North Palm Beach off US 1. Make sure to like the video and share it, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everybody.